गोंयांत फकत इफ्फी खातीर कायमचो जागोच न्हय जाल्यार गोंयांत फिल्म सिटी लेगीत जावपाची गरज आसा अशें मत हळदोणचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान उक्तायला. गोंयांत इफ्फी सुरू जाली तेन्ना व्हडा दबाज्यान सुरू जाल्ली, मात कोवीड महामारीक लागून काय नकळो जे जोश देंवला अशें खंतूय कार्लोसान ह्या वेळार उक्तायल्ली आसा. तशेंच गोंय सरकार तोच जोश परत हाडपाचो पुराय तरेन यत्न करतले अशी आस्त लेगीत ताणें उक्तायल्ली आसा.
As an MLA, you have to have different kind of roles. One is even you have to be an audience at some times and watch and appreciate good movies, good films, and we must promote them also. This is also part of art, and I think an artist is being creative, and so film writers, directors, script writers, or whatever they are, film producers, they are very creative, and I think we need to encourage them. And these film festivals are a great occasion to come in, intermingle with the people and the fraternity. Our people will get a chance to mix up with the others, and they will get a chance to mix with us, and our people can learn a lot of things, good things, probably also see the experiences, difficulties, and make their lives better.